And sometimes those challenges are bigger than you expect. But it's always important to keep on trying and never give up. Just like Miguel and the Dino Ranchers.
We're coming back soon on Cartoonito.
Ayan, may napapanood na naman ang Thank you, Lord, sa blessing. Ayan pa yung isang baby. Okay naman pala, Angel. Diba? 3622, may smart TV ka na. Yan. Thank you, Jeff.
Para akong sira, no? Napakasalbahe ko talaga. Ito yatang utak ko. Nahawa na sa utak ng mga Afghan hound. Pasensya na.
Narinig ko yun. Buti naman inaamin mong mali ka.
Oo, kasi
Bakit?
yung mata mo. Napakaganda ng mata mo. Ito yung
Sortija como Tom Brady, my baby. Si te portas como se debe. Friendly, le llega en la Bentley, que bien te queda el traje.
She's ripping. Yo, she got drip. All right, here, you take over. I'm gonna go round the house. Hey, you already did that video. Chandler's parents' house. You threw.
Trying to guess what it is. Shark sense to Okay, is this my little brother John?
Nolan. Balik.
Siya! Ayaw mamigaw sa'yo